Welcome to my channel! Learn with Teacher Ali!
Grade 3, Science, Second Periodical Examination Reviewer. Direction. Choose the correct answer from the options provided. Let's start. Which of the following is a living thing? A. Rock, B. Dog, C. Chair, D. Ball. The answer is B. Dog. Which is not a basic need of living things? A. Air, B. Food, C. Water, D. Toys. The answer is D. Toys. Which body part of a bird helps it fly? A. Legs, B. Wings, C. Beak, D. Eyes. The answer is B. Wings. Which part of the plant absorbs water and nutrients from the soil? A. Stem, B. Leaves, C. Roots, D. Flower. The answer is C. Roots. Which of the following shows that living things grow? A. A seed becomes a plant, B. A stone stays the same, C. A toy gets bigger, or D. A bag gets full. The answer is A. A seed becomes a plant. Which of the following is non-living things? A. Dog, B. Bat, C. Car, D. Bird. The answer is C. Car. Which body part do fish use to move in water? A. Wings, B. Fins, C. Feet, D. Beak. The answer is B. Fins. Why do plants need sunlight? A. To make food, B. To sleep, C. To move, or D. To play. The answer is A. To make food. Which living things give us oxygen to breathe? A. Dog, B. Plant, C. Fish, D. Bird. The answer is B. Plant. Which living things makes its own food? The correct answer is B. Which example shows living things depending on each other? A. A bird eats worms. B. A chair holds a bag. C. A car runs on gasoline. Or D. A balloon is filled with air. The answer is A. A bird eats worms. Which is an example of conserving the environment? A. Throwing garbage in the river. B. Cutting trees without planting. C. Planting new trees. Or D. Burning plastics. The answer is C. Planting new trees. Which part of the plant carries water to the leaves? A. Stem. B. Root. C. Flower. D. Seed. The answer is A. Stem. Which animal lays egg? The correct answer is D. Which is an example of predicting? A. Saying a ball will fall when dropped. B. Watching a cat sleep. C. Touching a leaf. Or D. Drawing a dog. The answer is A. Saying a ball will fall when dropped. Which of these shows a living thing reproducing? A. A chair breaking. B. A cat giving birth to kittens. C. A balloon popping. Or D. A toy car rolling. The answer is B. A cat giving birth to kittens. Which is needed by both plants and animals to live? A. Air. B. Toys. C. Clothes. D. Money. The correct answer is A. Air. Why should we protect rivers and seas? A. To keep them dirty. B. So fish can live. C. To make more garbage. D. To build factories. The answer is B. So fish can live. How can you tell that a butterfly is a living thing? A. It changes color. B. It is colorful. C. It is small. D. It can grow, move, and reproduce. The answer is D. It can grow, move, and reproduce. Why are roots important to plants? A. They make flowers. B. They hold the plant in soil and get water. C. They give oxygen. Or D. They protect animals. The answer is B. They hold the plant in soils and get water. Which is the best way to care for plants? A. Watering and giving sunlight. B. Plucking all the leaves. C. Stepping on them. Or D. Cutting the roots. The answer is A. Watering and giving sunlight. Why do people need to conserve trees? A. Because they are tall. B. Because they give food, oxygen, and shelter. C. Because they are many. Or D. Because they are green. The answer is B. Because they give food, oxygen, and shelter. What will happen if animals have no shelter? A. They will play. B. They may not survive. C. They will grow faster. Or D. They will get bigger. The answer is B. They may not survive. Which activity shows observing? A. Looking closely at a butterfly's wings. B. Guessing the size of a stone. C. Writing about the future. Or D. Throwing trash. The answer is A. Looking closely at a butterfly's wings. Which shows living things depending on the environment? A. Cars use gasoline. B. Chairs are used for sitting. C. Rocks break into soil. D. People breathe air from plants. The answer is D. People breathe air from plants. Which is the best way to show care for animals? A. Giving them food, water, and shelter. B. Tying them always. C. Hitting them when noisy. Or D. Ignoring them. The answer is A. Giving them food, water, and shelter. What might happen if we keep cutting trees and not planting? A. The air will stay clean. B. There will be floods and no homes for animals. C. The forest will grow. Or D. Plants will get stronger. The answer is B. There will be floods and no homes for animals. A bird uses its wings to fly, and the fish uses its fins to swim. What can you say about animals' body parts? A. They look the same. B. They are not important. C. They have different uses to help animals live. Or D. They make animals heavy. The answer is C. They have different uses to help animals live. If there were no plants on Earth, what would most likely happen to animals and people? A. They will live happily. B. They may not survive because they need oxygen and food from plants. C. They will still grow healthy. Or D. They will get more shelter. The answer is B. They may not survive because they need oxygen and food from plants. Imagine you are a little scientist. How will you help protect the environment? A. Plant trees, recycle and keep surroundings clean. B. Throw garbage anywhere. C. Cut plants to play. Or D. Burn plastics. The answer is A. Plant trees, recycle, and keep surroundings clean. Good job, everyone!
Thank you for watching! Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!